Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Shinde Shiva.
Myself, Shantanu Sonone.
My name is Surya Pratim Das.
Hello everyone, my name is Achal Singh. Me with my teammates from FE, Branch IT and Division M have been working on a project known as creation of DRS system by using Python. This project comes under PBL 4 activity of Zeal College of Engineering and Research Pune and is guided by Professor Aman Kamble.
Further explanation of project will be given by myself Shivam. We have created DRS, that is Decision Review System, using Python. Coming to the code, we have used 4 modules and many more, etc. You can view the code as follows. So now let's run the code and see how it works. When we run the code, you can see the output displayed. Now we can analyze the video with slow motion effects. So in this video, the batsman is out of the crease and the ball has hit the bell, so it's out. Now after clicking on out, it gets displayed on the screen. And this is how the code works. The main motive to create this project was to provide such high type of technology at cheap rates at inter-colleges cricket matches or local matches. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.